Okay, so we have Saima's x-ray here, and obviously we're dealing with a scoliosis. So when we deal with the scoliosis, we're obviously going to work towards correction of the spine and the alignments there. So when we look at the side view here, we have loss of the lordosis from the side, and these are the bending x-rays. So when someone comes in with into our office with scoliosis, what we're going to do is bend into the opposite direction to see what the potential is for correction. So when we start with, we have 40 degrees of scoliosis here, and then it corrects up to 16 degrees. So we have a great potential for a huge correction in the spine. And then when we look at the neck, typically we deal with a reverse curve in the neck with scoliosis as well. So what we're doing here when we bend back, we're looking at a huge potential for a correction as well. So what we're going to start with is some traction on the spine. So I'm going to lift up the table here. And the muscles on the right side are working really hard to protect and prevent the continued misalignment with the spine. So we're working with those muscles that are tight in the correction, help correcting the spine. Now, the traction is going to open up those disc spaces, and we're bending into the curve with the scoliosis. I'm contacting the apex of T12L1 on the upper, and we're bending into it, and that's how we're able to get those corrections. Also, we're going to vibrate the inside portion of the curve. So we're not vibrating or relaxing tight muscles on the outside portion because those muscles are working for us to help protect and correct the spine. We're working on the inside portion. And we can literally feel those muscles on the outside relax in tone, naturally. Because the brain, when we sense the better alignment, the brain will relay the information back to the muscles to relax. And we're going to do a couple drops right on the apex of the curve. And this is how we're able to get great corrections for scoliosis. Of course you will. We're literally reshaping the discs and the vertebra and the spinal alignment. But what I like to do too is I'll anchor down the table. And we've been doing this a lot with Saima, and it's been working really well. We're going to drop into the convexity. Of the scoliosis. Perfect. We're able to get those big changes in the muscles there. Looking at the leg length. Now her leg length used to be way off. Now it's becoming more and more even, which is great. Let's have you this side up facing me. The drop table. Perfect. So on the other side. Now this is the main side with the scoliosis. We're going to do several drops, just like this. Until those muscles relax, but also the spine improves in alignment. Perfect. Just have you on your back. Now when we adjust the neck, we're not turning or twisting the head, we're just leaving a neutral position, putting about 2 to 4 pounds of pressure just like this. This is going to help improve that cervical curve, but we got to improve the normal alignments of the spine so that the scoliosis can correct. Wonderful. You're welcome.
All right, sir.
We're also putting pressure on the plates of the skull, adjusting the plates. This is going to allow circulation to improve, cerebral spinal fluid to the brain, nutrients to the brain. And then the last one, we're going to adjust.
You're going to have to tell me if I'm at the right height.
Slide down just a little bit.
Just a bit.
Yeah, right there, and you're perfect right there. Yep, just go straight down and you're good to go. Alright, that's you right there.
Beautiful.
Nothing special.
Alright, so we also, the feet are pointing down. In order to stabilize the pelvis and the spine, we got to get the lower leg and the hump here working better. We use the vibration. This is going to relax the interosseous membrane. If there's any falling arches or bunion formation, that's typically coming from the pelvis and the nerve supply to the legs. So what we got to do is adjust that. And relax. Perfect. Great job.